viewers, and welcome back to my lovely channel once again. I'm so excited to be doing this hair review. I didn't want to do this hair review, but then again, so many of you have been commenting on my videos. I remember when I did my Lime Crime Velveteen Cashmere review, I had this hair on and you lot were asking, oh my lord, this hair is so beautiful, what hair is it? So I decided to do a review on this virgin hair I'm wearing. Viewers, this hair is the best hair I've had in my life. Like, this is the best virgin hair I've ever had in my life. This hair is live, as you can all see. This is live. This is tangle free, absolutely tangle free, no snags, nothing. Look at how flowy and glowy this hair is. So I contacted them. They've got Instagram accounts, and they only take, if you want to order hair from them, you have to email them at the raw virgin hair boutique at gmail.com. I'll put it on the screen so that everyone can see the raw virgin hair boutique at gmail.com. And also they do have Instagram accounts. I will put everything in my description bar below. They are obviously working on their website, which will be out soon. So I basically emailed them straight away because I love good quality hair. Even though I do a lot of hair reviews, I do purchase hair with my own money as well. This is not a paid review. This is basically purchased hair, and I am reviewing the hair I purchased myself. This is beautiful. This is 5 bundles of 26 inches, strictly 26 inches, no layers, and a 16-inch silk base closure. What I have on is a silk base closure. I don't know if you lot can see it, but I always purchase my hair which is silk base closure. I always prefer the silk base closure, so the silk base closure is from them as well. I basically got 5 bundles of virgin hair extensions, straight Peruvian, straight, and it was so nice when I received the hair. The hair was absolutely amazing. I have had this hair on for a month now, 1 month. This is a weave, not a wig. This is a weave. This is being sewn on my scalp. This is a weave and not a wig, and I absolutely love weaves. I always do weaves anyways. What happened was I fixed my hair on the 26th to 27th, I don't remember, either the 26th or the 27th of January, and I've had this hair on since then. I haven't uploaded much of videos just because I love to dye my hair. So I initially thought the hair color didn't suit me, but to be honestly speaking, ever since, this is its natural state, this is color 1B, and this is natural black, and I haven't been stopped. Even when I have blonde hair or jet, I usually have blonde hair or jet black hair, this hair gives me life. Like, anywhere I go, people stop me. So far I have given the contact to about 5 of my friends, and they've all purchased from them, and they love it. They are in love with the raw virgin hair boutique and didn't complain. So this hair is the real deal. Obviously, this is not an AliExpress based hair company. This is not too much on the pricey side. This is actually, and it's not on the lower side, this is medium, because you know, if you want good quality stuff, you need to pay for it basically. So I actually purchased it with my own money, and I am doing a 1 month update. I didn't do an initial review, as I said, because their website wasn't out yet. So there's so many of you lot are basically asking me where I got this hair from, and they want to buy it, so I decided to do a review on this hair. So far so good. The hair does hold curls really well. I've had this hair almost straight throughout the whole month, just because I work and I basically love my hair straight. It's easier for me to have my hair straight than to be curled. I only curl my hair when I'm going to parties or going out with my partner, my boyfriend basically. So I absolutely love this hair. This hair is tangle free. I'm not going to talk about shedding because I always seal my wefts. I sealed my wefts, and because I sealed my wefts, I do not get shedding. If you seal your wefts, you get minimum to no shedding, and sealing wefts for me, it's a must-do thing, because whenever I seal my wefts, because even with our own natural hair, when we comb it, it does come out. So this is a weave. So sealing my wefts basically prevents any excess shedding, and I might say I am in love with this hair. I have washed this hair twice, and it's just nice and healthy. The last time I washed this hair was 2 weeks ago, so this hair hasn't been washed for 2 weeks now. As you lot can see, the luster to this hair is medium luster. I wouldn't say low to medium, it's just medium, and it's not a high luster. There's this shine to it that makes me love this hair. And this hair, walking on the street, wherever I am, people literally stops me and asks me, where did you get your hair from? I love it. So many people ask me, and I always give the contact to them. So hope you divas enjoyed this hair review. This hair, there's nothing bad to say about this hair. As I said, this is the best virgin hair I've ever had in my life. Throughout wearing hair extensions, this is the best, and I'm glad I actually had it in its natural form, like the natural texture. I didn't dye this hair, I didn't do anything to it, so I'm really enjoying it. I will be taking it off in a week's time, and I will be fixing my new weave around the 13th of March, and it will be the same hair because I love it. Usually I don't wear the same hair if I've worn it for a month, but I am going to dye it jet black this time and see how it takes the dye and how it looks. I just wanna do everything to this hair basically, and I will update you lot when I basically dye this hair into jet black. So as I said, so far so good. This hair is from the rawvirginhairboutique.com. The website is not out yet, but you have to email them if you want to order, so you want to inquire about the hair, basically on the rawvirginhairboutique@gmail.com. I will also put their Instagram or any other social media networks in my description bar. So hope you divas did enjoy this video, and I know you lot have been waiting for this review for so long a time because so many of you have commented on my videos, which is not to do with the hair. Everyone, they don't even comment on the video. All they say is, oh my lord, what a hair is that, can I have the contact? And so I decided to do a review on this hair just because you lot are really interested in knowing where I purchased this hair from. As I said, this hair is not a paid review, this is my own money. I purchased this hair with my own money, and the prices are quite affordable, not too much on the pricey side and not too much on the lower side as well, but it's quite in the middle. This is good virgin hair, so I am glad I really purchased this hair. I can see this hair lasting me for about 2 to 3 years if I don't get bored with it. But one thing I will say is this hair is the bomb.com, and it's the best hair I've ever had in my life. So hope you divas enjoyed this review, and this is my honest review, and I mean, that's all I have to say for today. So as I said, I will be dyeing this hair into jet black, so I will be doing more an update on this hair, and I'll let you all know. So check my description bar for the details if you want to know where I got this hair from, and have a blessed day.